Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with a Haldi ceremony makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created a beautiful brown and yellow half cut crease eye look and paired it with a dark red lipstick. If you wear a yellow outfit, then this can be a perfect look for that yellow outfit as well. And before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking my Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I am just drawing the borders of my brows first. Then I will be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe. I recently shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. I will mention the link in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. In that video, I shared with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect brows in case you have hooded eyes. So do not forget to check that video out. With the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. Now I am taking my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer in the shade 135, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I'm doing a party makeup or a bridal makeup, this step is must for me because it makes a huge difference on the way my brows look. My brows just look sharp, defined and prominent, and I absolutely love it. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. And now I'm just blending it out using a damp sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild. Now I'm taking my Beauty Bakery loose powder in the shade Cassava, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. And the brush that I'm using is from Elf Cosmetics. For my eyes, first I'm taking Creamsicle from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, and it's a beautiful mustard yellow shade. And with this Morphe M441 brush, I'm applying it as my transition color. And taking little by little product, I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. I have hooded eyes, so I'm placing the color a little higher than usual because I want to create a new crease for myself. Now I'm taking Pukey. It's a mid-toned brown color and it has a kind of a cool undertone to it, and I'm applying it slightly above my crease. So this is going to be my crease color, and the brush that I'm using is from Elf Cosmetics. This is their Elf blending brush. And again, I'm doing the same thing here. I'm slowly building up the pigmentation to avoid any kind of patchiness. Now I'm taking Cheap. It's a dark brown shade, and I'm applying it on top of the previous shade. And the brush that I'm using is again from Morphe. It is their Morphe JS15 brush, and I want to make my crease as dark as possible because I'm going to cut my crease, and for that my crease has to be dark and defined. And now taking this lip brush from Puna store, I'm just cutting my crease. First, I'm just marking the area where I want to place my cut crease, and then I will reapply the concealer again. And I have hooded eyes as I mentioned earlier, so I'm placing the concealer a little bit higher. You can see my natural crease right across my eyelids. I'm just reapplying the concealer again. Now I'm taking Mocha. It's a dark brown shade, and I'm applying it right here on my outer V area. And the brush is a Morphe JS15 brush, and I'm doing the same thing here. That means I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. I'm taking this ColourPop Super Shock shadow in the shade Floatel, I believe. It's a beautiful yellow shade with like green and blue glitter in it. It's stunning, and I'm just patting it all over on my eyelid using this flat shader brush. This is a synthetic brush. This brush is again from Morphe, and I'm just stamping it. I'm not rubbing my brush at all. Such a stunning shade, and I do not have any such shade in my collection. Again, you can use any shimmery yellow shade that you have in your collection. Now taking the shade called Mocha, I'm just blending out the edges to create a smooth gradient effect. Now I'm taking a buns and I'm applying it on the border of my cut crease to make my cut crease look even prominent. Whenever I'm doing my cut crease, and if I don't use any glitter eyeliner, I always make sure to follow this step. It just makes my cut crease look even prominent and sharp. You can see the difference it just made. I'm just drawing a regular wing using my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade Jet Black. You can use any gel eyeliner or liquid eyeliner that you have. I personally like to use this particular eyeliner because it's my absolute favorite, and I'm not that good with gel eyeliners, to be very honest. So I find myself reaching for a liquid eyeliner a lot. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. And for that, I'm taking this Revlon Photo Ready Perfecting Primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. I love this particular primer. It gives your face a very nice smooth canvas and it also makes your makeup long lasting. For color correcting, I'm using my L'Oreal Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentation, dark spot, acne spot, dark circle, and I'm just blending it out using the same damp sponge. An orange color corrector helps to neutralize all those darkness underneath, and your foundation, your concealer will not look grayish in color. So if you have hyperpigmentation, make sure to use a color corrector according to your own skin tone. For my foundation, I'm going with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation in the shade Desert Beige, and I'm just applying it all around my face and neck and then just buffing it in using the same sponge. I love this particular foundation. It's very lightweight on the skin. You cannot even feel that you are wearing any foundation. It's that lightweight. It's full coverage. I would say medium to full coverage. Lasts all day long. It does not separate or cake up. For cream contour, I'm going with my Huda Beauty Tanto in the shade Medium, and I'm just doing one section at a time because this is a cream to powder formula and I do not want it to settle down before I blend it out. So I'm just doing one section at a time. If you want to splurge and if you want to get a cream contour, make sure to grab this one. This particular product is freaking awesome. It blends like magic. It melts right onto the skin. It gives you kind of powdery finish and it lasts all day long. She has done a pretty good job with this particular product. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same Milani concealer and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, on the sides of my mouth, down the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead. And then again, I'm just blending it out using the same damp sponge. This particular concealer is like 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, so I use it as a highlighting concealer. But if you want to just spot conceal, then go, like, if you are my skin tone obviously, then go like 1 shade or 2 shades darker, and this gives you again full coverage. I mean, look at that. It gives you full coverage. It lasts all day long. It does not cake up. It does not crease. This is my absolute favorite concealer. To set my under eyes as well as my smile lines, I'm using the same loose powder. This is my favorite way of setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines, because that way the concealer does not crease. And this particular powder has a yellow tinge to it, which is perfect for cancelling out any darkness. Now I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation in the shade NC40, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightening my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. And now I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using the shade Mocha, which I applied on my outer V area. Taking the shade Creamsicle, which was the mustard yellow shade, I'm just applying it on the border of the previous shade. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter, which I'll be using for my face later on. I'm just elongating the inner corners of my eyes just a bit. I'm just curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. For my falsies, I'm going with these Eyelure lashes, and I will mention the style in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. And here is the final eye look. I truly love the way how the entire look came together. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me, so please do leave a comment. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and for that I am first taking this Physicians Formula Muru Muru Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunset Bronze, and I'm just bronzing up my face to bring back that sun-kissed glow to the face. And I think with this kind of eye makeup, a little bit of bronzy complexion looks just perfect. For my blush, I'm going with my Rimmel Maxi blush in the shade Wild Card, and I'm applying it on my cheeks, on my chin as well as on my nose. And the blush that I'm using is from Flower Beauty. Don't worry if the blush is looking a little harsh right now, give it some time. It will fade away eventually. And I'm using the same highlighter, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face using this setting brush from Real Techniques. And this is again a stunning highlighter, and I think with that eye look, this particular golden toned highlighter is just perfection. To set my entire makeup, I'm going with my LA Girl setting spray. For my lips, first I'm lining my lips using my Essence lip liner in the shade I Am Shooketh. And I think with this kind of eye look, a vibrant red lipstick just looks perfect. I mean, in each other. Also, my outfit has red in it, so I decided to go with a red lipstick exclusively. And this one is from MAC. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade Dance With Me. Such a stunning raspberry red shade. And here is the final look. I truly loved the way how the entire look came together. This is like one of those looks where I feel like satisfied after creating this look, and I hope you guys also enjoyed watching it. And if you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And please share this video with your friends and family. It will mean just a world to me. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. All the products and their shades and everything will be mentioned in the description bar down below as well. So yeah, see you soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye and take care.